See, my favorite part about using my little VTuber and also not streaming or having a camera is nobody knows I'm butt naked.
Sandy, I'm streaming and nobody knows I'm butt naked.
I know. I see you. Let me into your house. Open the window. I wish somebody would deep throat me.
Sandy!
I hear screaming. Oh, hi, Kelvin. No amount of OSHA violations can stop me. Woman spotted. God! Fuck. And I'm out of ammo.
But that's okay.
No, it's not.
Oh.
I'm screwed.
My bad, I misread the room.
Hey YouTube, Sandy here. Welcome back to my Sons of the Forest playthrough. Today I killed a woman in cold blood.
Virgil came up to me and said, "Why'd you put me in timeout so often?" It was literally hell.
Back whence you came from.
Are you back at camp?
I'm at a different camp that is full of cannibals.
Don't you have a shotgun?
I'm out of ammo.
So there's, I think, do you know what this sounds like to me?
Kill issue?
Oh yeah. Oh man. I want to paint you a photo of the scene that just happened to me.
What?
Have you ever sneezed with a mouthful of food?
Oh.
This was 2 sneezes back to back.
Oh god.
I love the mask, but the mask's uncomfortable and I actually don't give a shit.
That's what the mask is. There's a guy over there, Slithers, behind you.
What? Oh, that one. Why is there just like a gun floating in the air?
That's me.
That's Jesus.
Oh. Oh my.
Oh god, he just went limp. Oh,
I think he's fine. He'll live.
He's good. How could you, Kate? No!
I want to know if they're edible.
Jesus Christ!
Don't worry. It was quick.
That was done. There goes livers.
There goes liver.
Yep.
The liver queen king. The
Let me-
liver they them. The liver.
Let me back.
Like, oh,
Don't worry,
don't
no,
leave
that's
me
good.
here. Oh shit! You didn't tell me the raccoon dropped a head.
I don't like you.
I'm also slowly dying of exposure.
Your balls out?
My balls are out. Thank you for asking.
Making my way downtown, walking past faces.
That's worse than a man. That's a woman. Don't worry, I've neutralized the threat. Okay, Slithers, here's what I want you to do. I want you to use code TURNTHELIGHTSOFF32 at checkout. You will get 15% off your order, and they send you a free sticker too with every order. Just saying, 15% off. And also, I get a little bit of that. Which would be nice.
Don't do it. We do not want to give Kate money.
You bitch! You don't want a cool, refreshing Dubby energy as well as sponsoring me?
No. No, I don't.
Okay.
If it keeps money out of your pockets, yes. This is how I repair people's broken legs.
Hitting it with a rock on a stick, just like my mama taught me in med school. I can't tell Kelvin to finish structure.
Can you tell him to finish?
I can tell him hard gay sex give to me.
Oh no. No, let me pick up my glider.
Did we lose another glider?
I
That'll be the
think
second
so.
glider we've lost.
This glider isn't lost yet. God fucking damn it.
I'm better at flying than you are.
Okay. At least I'm not Kate.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Asshole?
It's legally required I have to bully you. It's written in my contract.
Is it your contract for
No, my glider!
Well, they lost their glider, I think.
Never mind, I didn't lose it. Suck it, bitches.
I will.
I won. I'm better than you.
I don't care.
I'm not letting her get away that easily.
The way
Get
she
her.
fucking get her.
Get her ass. I had to double tap her.
Stop running!
Get him, Kate.
There you don't need it. I got
Congrats.
her head came off.
They'll do that.
Slithers, please.
Swivers.
I want food.
Swimmers, please.
No.
Slimer, please. I hate that.
Sleepers, please.
Slungus, please.
Please.
Slubby.
You know what this means?
Fish. Woman spotted.
Woman spotted. Neutralize the target.
Woman neutralized.
Very based. Based on what?
The nuts.
Watch out for the fish.
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 You see that little boy, the little orange life raft?
I
out in
have
the water?
a plan. I have a plan, hun. Shut the
Okay.
fuck up.
Woman. I see a man. Man neutralized. Man 2.
Do you want to get him? Or no, this one's mine.
His arm came off. Good God.
He's still kicking. Do you want to?
Yeah, I got this. Hey, Kate, did you know that women
I did not know that women.
makes you think?
Oh, and we have fish.
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 John.
Duh!
What?
Kate, we've got a John situation.
What the fuck? Fucking abomination!
The only thing I've seen so far is squirrels.
Jesus Christ, Slithers.
That's
Oh,
great.
woman.
I do see woman. Hold on. Let me pull out my woman tamer.
Here, I got this.
Oh,
Oh, God. Jeez, you said it flying. I like soup.
Snoop Dogg.
What?
Huh?
What?
We said soup.
Oh. I thought you said half-titted.
Oh. What?
Bogo's fainted? After we befriend the bear after breeding it in a brawl. Then we go to
Breeding
Chuck
it?
E. Cheese.
Breeding it?
No, I said beating it in a brawl.
You did not.
Yes, I did! And I know Sandy's gonna skew the subtitles of the next video to say breeding it.
It's so sad that Steve Jobs died of ligma.
Who's Steve Jobs?
Ligma balls.
Oh! Alright, Sandy, you can come remove your zip line.
I can come.
Ah! No, get back! Before my dark side comes out. I can't control it when it's a full moon! Ah! Ow!
Kelvin!
He's so eepy! He's
I-
like a dog! He's a little